Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Steer gently in the direction of the skid. If your front wheels begin to slide, take your foot off the accelerator and allow the vehicle to slow. After a few seconds, if you still don't have control of your vehicle, lightly press the brake, very gently.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Damage sustained by your vehicle after hitting a patch of ice will be covered if you have collision coverage. This coverage pays for repairs to your car, up to your policy limits, if you hit a guardrail, another vehicle, a mailbox, or any other inanimate object.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If it's icy, the parking brake isn't going to stop it. The wheels may not rotate, it will just slide downhill. That is gravity at work. Either melt the ice with salt or a de-icing product, or use copious amounts of sand to give traction so that it won't slide.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
You asked, at what temperature are icy roads most slippery? They're worst at 20 degrees Fahrenheit. It's best to avoid the drive altogether when the reported temperature is in that ballpark. Unless you live on the equator, it's a fact that you'll be dealing with snow and icy roadways from time to time.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.